Hello everyone, welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest updates across South Sudan and beyond. I'm reporting on a series of major developments in South Sudan today that suggest a country attempting to balance a fragile peace with the looming pressure of a democratic transition. Today, December 2025, President Salva Kiir convened a national prayer breakfast in Juba, a move seen by many as a symbolic attempt to lower the political temperature. Meanwhile, at Freedom Mall yesterday, December 19, 2025, a high-stake military trial revealed a harrowing new detail about the ambush in Nasser earlier this year. And finally, a significant political maneuver. The ruling SPLM party is now demanding that the national electoral map be finalized by next week, pushing forward with a 2026 election timeline despite fierce opposition. Before we move on, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video you can be notified. We begin at the State House in Juba. President Salva Kiir today hosted a national prayer breakfast, bringing together a diverse group of political rivals, religious leaders, and civil society members. In the world of international diplomacy, these events are often more than just religious gatherings. They are political barometers. Historically, Kiir has held this prayer at a critical moment of tension, specifically in 2017 and 2018, just before major peace deals were signed. The goal today, reconciliation. With the 2018 peace deal currently being amended to allow for 2026 election, the President Salva Kiir is calling for national healing. However, critics point out that while the language in the room was about unity, the political reality outside remained deeply divided. Now let's move on to the most dramatic story of the day. The 33 session of the Special Court in Juba is testimony from survivor of the attack on the Nasser military garrison. This trial is central to the future of the country, as it involved the suspended first Vice President Dr. Riek Machar and 7 others facing charge of treason and murder. The stand of General David Majudak witnesses to yesterday described the final moment of Major General David Majudak. According to a first lieutenant on the stand, the general was trapped in an armored vehicle while enemy or the Norway army mix of SPLM-IO militia were closing in. The witness testified that even when the attackers were just 20 meters away, the general refused to surrender, maintaining phone contact with military headquarters until the very end. The October massacre and the March ambush. The court also had a chilling account of an earlier incident in October 2026 before the incident in 2025. A staff sergeant testified that 13 soldiers who were waiting at an airstrip for medical evacuation were gunned down by the Norway army without provocation. Moving to March 2025 attack, we heard how 33 soldiers were waiting for a UN helicopter when the firing started. The scene turned to chaos. Only 6 soldiers managed to board that aircraft. 27 others were killed on the ground. A medic survival. Perhaps the most human story made today yesterday was that of a sergeant who escaped into the bush after his tongue broke down. He watched his comrade fall in ambush and was eventually served by the Norway army. He told the court he was only spared because the Norway army recognized him. The surgeon had previously provided medical treatment for the Norway army. This testimony provides a rare and varnished look at the brutality of the conflict on the ground, far removed from the conference room of Juba. Then move on. The political push for 2026 elections. While the court look at the past, the ruling SPLM party is focuses squarely on the future. Today in Juba, or SPLM Secretary General Akol Paul Kordit issued a firm demand the National Election Commission must declare the country electoral constituencies by next Monday. Declare the country electoral constituency by the next Monday, December 22nd. The no turning back policy, Kordit admitted that while the 2018 peace agreement is not fully finished, the leadership has made a political decision to move forward. They are effectively decoupling the election from the requirement of a permanent constitution, opting instead to use the 2011 transitional laws. The pushback. This move is highly controversial. The main opposition led by the now suspended first by President Dr. Riek Machar argued that holding an election without a census, a unified national army, or a new constitution is a recipe for disaster. International observers are also watching closely, concerned that a rush election could reignite the very civil war the country has spent years trying to end. Finally, we turn to the ongoing security challenges in the states. In Abiomnom County, local authority report that 2 civilians were killed and another injured in a motorcycle ambush this past Wednesday. There is a war of word over who is responsible. Local officials blame armed use from neighboring Mayom County, while others point to a rebel group led by General Stephen Bany. This incident serves as a grim reminder. Despite the prayer and the political planning in the capital, the road of South Sudan remains dangerous for ordinary citizens. As we wrap up this report, the eye of the nation turned to Monday, December 22nd. That day we'll see the continuation of the Nasser trial and the SPLM deadline for the new election map. We will continue to track this story as they develop. For now, stay tuned for our in-depth panel discussion on the legal implication of the Machar trial at Changfied News. Biakamal Guasame ka Changfied YouTube channel, mi jira majidit goran ojin, bi subscribe ka bi notification bell bi jetwan, ban leren kondi ling garodian ka liang bana ka link kel. Leren yam bana lat Guasame bala mandana shalat Kiir Mayadit. Selpa Kiir Mayadit President dung South Sudan charwach ano chete kamal ki che pal che de chol dore ke state house re wiki Juba. President Salva Kiir Mayadit chene tingwan che ga chol dore. She group one political rivals, religious leader, civil society members ne dial che ga chol dore ko wona pal ka kwi mala. Ka well of international diplomacy ke ne dial konti la jel ka kwi mal ke yala no en mishit kana me cha chole Kiir Mayadit ke gathering me wajen chere mutual ke political barometers lo la na yaro ke ki politika bo menyo de no Kiir Mayadit le mishit kana me ko don de mal der ben chet ko ngai kono no de la je no de ko de japal chet ke me chet wok ka gwate shuwa en me karwa de lat kono men wo che mal che je chol dore ke wona pal dore ne di al che ka chol wa che je kon lat ke rone da ne tain ka mal ka je ron kin dangre dwal baro wo ka ron kin dangre dwal badak no ba peace deal ba je kulelat so no mo mi ci Kiir je kon la ne wal an wal la Kiir Mayadit la gole ka jan shanga jan dangro ka pay wero me ron kin dangro jan dangro de diech jane reconciliation ke lo mara no shit ke mangai kon di alme 2010 peace agreement da na sha tan cha nyoko me gar ka je Kiir ko ba 2026 election ba je lat ke queen kware ka ron kin dangro jan dangro bakal ba je kulelat She President Salva Kiir Mayadit chana chola no nene chana te kamat chana te kamar ko bana ko inkwar bana jelad law banete wan no tin kontin chimet ke Kiir Mayadit ngai kana gwano menet Kiir Mayadit de me chechong ko antame ngone tin wan ngot karar rewech ka South Sudan te gorge jeno de tere malka ka chikir chanok eno chole national healing ke yogna no biare malka namet ngike jene te ko keno jen a politic magor ni jen wo banai to totin kon we kaje widien ba ko ngar ki ba ka yar ka do dan dong der widien der je kaje kaler dien gwas me ban right ke kwi dung de kon sholo no lukan lok Dr. Machar ka jodan chalat gwasmen me de kon dial tikangitin ano en man chalat elengu re wich ka juba pan ka kwi Dr. Machar ka jo chalat gwasme ka kwi Dr. Machar wa luko mo chaje luk ashit kamanda na ngai kon ban je ko linkel no ngum chalu ke chalu gedi ban je linkel Canadian kon till eyewitness re which ka juba shi ka rach Canadian ka kore dan e tuok re wiki juba gwase dan e koche tuok kam nur wayami Canadian kon till la GSS PDF ke South Sudan People Defense Force and report me lat ka je ka Friday Canadian kon till la nen shi ka rach ka Freedom Mall ka lugan jendang jog with dog dien look Dr. Machar kenane ka dang baroshin kon cha yen kel Chinaro ajan gwada mo chama chal ke course examination chajalat and lead defense lawyer ke Dr. Machar Regina Keria Deng charwach Ramadan and ku Dr. Machar kuje present la first by president shewu de chal ke Mohammed Ahmed Jidu chejetich jaramangwan dien ka persecution witness ka taye dan ken ke je ke take je wude me Michel ka ma tamed jidua jela do ne cha de ni jendang ri baro sha kanak kane dang bakel de chai evacuate ke sha wochre wich kana saka gwasi dan chu korche toktin ke UN helicopter ka jen pai baro ka jen pai dok chang baro ka pai dok e dan chi tok jela do ne ci de kel cho liure re nyal gwade dan nan katin ko de ne dial kan lat kan no ke de ni chopo jendang ri baro ka tai den che lat ke je ke ne di chopo jendang jok deu je jendang jok de ni jendang jok kan de ko ne chiliu de ni jendang jok ke dien ci de jendang ri baro shikliu ka de ni dang bakel wa kan je chobon churam kel chokolo riar chela de gwanu ne jenni de dang baro shikliu kel ke Major General David Majudak gwade dane chawe de ka lwak ki de ga nangre weche kamala kan meje kori chuto David Majur wajen jora tore torbiel Kennedy ni kadang baro ko kiente te ka kel shi jenwur shalka Ahmed shala do ne ke Ahmed Jidu shala do deni jandang jok liep kanere nyal UN helicopter gwade dan ngure kan kor kan to ko de ke evacuate de kan nang ka juba ke de kan nang kamala kal jane ka bere nyal gwas mo chu korcho chu tok chwa de ni dang baro ke chwa de ni ti chok baro wen mo chwa kan ka joda chalat ka chu ne dang bakel en wen mo chu ka chu jen kare nyal cha jo mo cha jalat cha nyo mi te ke je longan jidu gwas men go ko chelat ne ka gwas da ne lat ke evacuation tin chela do ne jeni charge inform no by evaluation by lat ke kwiko re dan chitok first by President Dr. Machar based on military briefing kata dan chara jeno ne reconden me da lat ke ne konti la dini kata dan chi wan chi ro lat ke je chakul jogo no ka en conversation mo mishi la no ramedan de evaluation de la de Dr. Machar jinti ke evident ni te nyode chi jidu chela do ne jenetel I don't have an audio jenetel minyode jana tela door jana jega information mo jega military source kana family members ya jo mo jalat jaji misala la letter che jidu che jete jeno ano kane mi jekum SPLA go ko chala do ne ichi SPLA go commander ichi kan right ke chi ka dol kan YAMI fighters jidu she denied no sheratin ka kujeja ajana meeting mo sheratin ajana jega information ma bani ka military intelligence and which Dr. Machar ke de ne SPLA yo kan de nor waya mi shi ka dol before kan we kan na mark che jo mo che jalat chauda den michala ater bol appeal chalat rajaram degen ka prosecution witness ke nen degen chale ater bol appeal jen chala do ne men kane long ka wuce kananek ka jan wiyara diu ke Nasser garrison gwade dan ce korche to ga jela do ne chane ma ka tabaro kurun wanga long shanga dok ka pai dok ron kinna dangaro jan dangaro de ku mespele ayo kenen wer wai amit sharen mat en kwere dan nang kor ka jan Nasser garrison ajane e kolna torgele ton milare jan wera spela ayo jani shune nyinga ka en wana mo shune ka jo ke chune ke tag jok ke chune torgile to anan chang mo chune nak namo ajen ku wang loy ku no ngone kan war wayami ajen ka kore long ka chang ado dien chu kor mo chu tuong nyok ajen chu yes pila yo kan nur wayami chu arian mat kel ka chu kan Nasser garrison chu kan yudak ka chang ado dien ajen ka kor dang raw kor nyam chu to kor raw de chu rek chu to ko no ajen ni me chine ono no barne roda ka Nasser garrison ajen riuda quicken kit kan kat che piol chela do ne kurun wangalong shwa ka nyurika anwar wayami ka jen shwa kanak jen shwa ne ka shwa kanak an wena mo chula do ne jen mi cha ko de na ga wena mo jen shwa yu nge jaram kel kan nwar wayami no ke ne de kontilla de ne aspela yu chikana lat ngoy ngan ka jen shwa nge jangwana gwa the money ram kel ka aspela yu fighter jen mi cha recognize ko ne te ka gade mi cha kon mi ka wal no kano gwad mo chulo no banak jen kwala ken kaja chela do nene ngane dangwel ka South Sudan People Defense Force dini ken wona ka captain den kel Michel Malong chakan yal chakan nak an changmo naga ke gwa mi kana wo kare nyal ka shanga bakal ka pay dok no che jomo che jalat an wena mo shukume mo right ke gwa semeni ke ne ko la jacha jimi salala re which ka juba men luluk e kana chula do ne baye nyok mu waje lat nyok ka je lat ka chanya dangaro widero ka pai wero ronkin dangro jan dangaro di kana chu yot jok bana man daran tokten ga chang mi ban jo lo ling ka do bran chu to ga ne den kontin loka kel ka Dr. Machala first by president no ne de to te pot kang teten pot kang chul ate mam pal do teten ate gadwi lampoy teten ate lieutenant general Gabriel Doblam teten ate Camilo gad Michael teten ate mading yakrik teten ke Dominic gad gokrik ne de te kene ko na shagwan kume kirmi yadit no no ka do bidan en chalat keja Jordan gwasme la kume spele mayu kani by election by jelat ke 2026 man ban jelinkel South Sudan's governing party kini rekono tere wika chikalat ka Friday ngonene ba National Election Committee ba bikena declare ka jelat and wo ba queen kwar ba jelat ke 2026 no neme request michala the ruling party and wo ba ja norms and wo ba queen kwari ba jelat ke 2026 ko ba rege dani chituok ke jen 2013 ba ku kapchung ko bramo kwera no loide je abe shu kwan SPLM Secretary General akol po kodi chela do nene ajene party dien ka kwarken kel chikala da gwano nene bna wewe re queen kwari chike me cha time ke 2018 peace agreement ban ngai kon dial noti diala ti chicken belet kodi Ramadan e tan mal e Dr. Machar ka ngure re tijen nima dong chicken Dr. Machar chicken kulo wo chire queen kwara chicken madana gurkane ban mo chibe mentwo ko Dr. Machar Ramadan tike power commission me Ramadan bu queen kwari be delat te ram mo mi bi let ko la jen wo dong par ko Ramadan bi ba chung ka gwa Dr. Machar gwa ngo Dr. Machar ngode re tijenone e men mi chaje luñ Ramadan ba kwan e par ko ngode na mo mi ba la deken kenene ke December 22 2025 wa jen deadline ke election commission munyun je lat so ke je lat wena mo beken banial ke report mi jidide no beken declare no ba ko inquiry ba je lat ke 2026 jen ta dan lero de dono aban mi chene me charge no ko kume SPLIO of course de mai kona no ko te dun wan long to gam kume SPLIO kenene me kan permanent constitution kana konlat me kan population census me kana konlat me kan unification of forces me kana konlat me kan it condila candidate me kan ko kon kwany a party ni tara do mi mo mi ba queen kwari ba lat keje anyok me kan voters ne me kan ko kon la ni kon bu kwany me kan shoot kan ko kon gor ba queen kwar ba je kula la didi ene me ngode ariep anyok bonwo kan pan dial kan ka kon wala ba hol ngaji no binaw nyam di e ken ne me ami chedem to ka jodan chala de ken an kuma SPLA pinker yadi lat ken no compulsory no ba queen kwar ba ji di lat ke 2026 no na jen ta dan tikitin jem lat keno begena declare ke je lat ano ba queen kware ba je di lat ngode no take edio tina no kaneden content kulete door kuma spele aiwo ne gotin koni ken ga kap ngum buto gwad danan wa da kuma char waje banrar ngum buto gone jagu je no ne me be kormidi be je ledi be je no mgo ken no ne me che chuon ko kuma marwake ken mi yadit wana kalera de den gwas me shane dangro sha kana karam kelen sha moy kabot ka ta ki korm je to ka bienam kanti banjo me banjelinker yala do ne sha ne dangro tila je wucha kanak ka ramkel mi sha moy kabot ke changa dokka jok te ne shina pet de domni dor shol ka bienam kanti chineti koni la kola local authority chikana lat ki kan official kon atinten wana mi wa kwa blame officially ko wa kan mal kan jabe especially kono kwa blame ka je report me wa ke ngweni tin content ka mayom county no wa ne te content ka mayom county de go jeno kan kon atin makana ke nakane dangro karam ken jikan mo ko bot Ramadan and chamu ka bot wajen rami mo mijel ka motorcycle ka Bienam County Karuwing administrative area no Mayom County Rewiking the state chala dundo donga kane de kone konak ka jen road ambush kere ga chitoge ka kwiko waji kane de konta ka Bienam County chicken kamak jome mi chala Bienam County commissioner gun mi chala Mario Deng Ramadan chi de jen chala makol Marial karadin mi chala agwe ka chol ka Ramadan chamoy ka bot manam kulela ger motor ka dien gwa de jel katin so jen re ka dan chiro lad no mone ngai kon di Ramadan le ro de wichin mi ring midi gwa de mani Shimayom County executive director dol tak che denied mishit kana me jena me ken wanika ka Mayom County ken ka we re tichit ka tane jena kana jien teram ki jien gwe jene kunin kon dong cha re ka mo cha jelat ka weekend no ne na ane den ko dong na kana da do dong ka opposition group tin raike general Stephen Bany weekend no dong jeram dan te keneka no wa chicken PKM machine la PKM machine wa can use gwada dan en chikor che to tin ke gwada na kana tin gi no Canadian county opposition members tin cha chu ken chalat gwas mene but can general Stephen Bany can je confirmed no ano dong jeram dan en dong de jalat ba ana chang man chala do ka ji Mayom County ngode te ke di report chene me na gwadan ci tokten so jome jana na gorno de nyo kon kel en ban nyo je ga radien beta kamal bye bye